How to change your background of Roblox on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your background of Roblox on PC. To change your Roblox background, you need to follow these simple steps. Firstly, visit roblox.com using your web browser. Then open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Once you find it, click on the link to open it. After that, search for the stylish extension and add it to your Chrome browser. Once the extension is added, it will be pinned on the top right corner of your browser. Click on it and browse through the different background styles available in the gallery and library. Choose the option for the current website, and then go to its library to see the available backgrounds. Click on the All Styles option to see more background options that you can apply to your Roblox account. Once you have found a style that you like, click on the Install Style button to add it to your Roblox. That's it. Your background has now been changed, and you can choose different styles to make your Roblox account look more attractive. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.